Hey everybody, it's Freely. Today what I have here is the GoPro Hero 7 Black. I got this this morning, so right now we're gonna unbox it for you guys right now. So right here at the bottom they have this little tab that you just rip. Here at the bottom you kind of just pull this part out and then the camera comes out. Here's the GoPro Hero 7. I pulled it out, and here, if you can hold it out for me. Thank you. Yeah, this is a really nice presentation. I always liked how GoPro's presentation for their products was. It's kind of in that clear case, and kind of just everything is in this nice small form factor of the design of the box and everything. So alright, so there's instructions on how to take this guy off, but let's just open that real quick. So right now we have the GoPro Plus, let's put that there, some stickers. Oh, okay. Here's some manuals. And just like with every other GoPro out there, it comes with all these curved and straight mounts here for mounting your GoPro, and then a cable for like charging, USB Type-C cable, because a lot of it is turning to USB Type-C. It comes with the battery. So here's the GoPro Hero 7. It's pretty much almost identical to the previous Hero 5 and Hero 6. They include this really nice indicator that, you know, this is a 7. The previous GoPro Hero 5 I currently own, it's almost impossible to tell the difference between the 5 and the 6, but it's really nice that they finally, you know, put a little indication on there. It's a 7 with the words black 7 there on the side. And so what's really good about this is that it's actually closer to the color black. It's not quite black, probably like a really dark gray, but it's nice that it's actually, you know, black. I really like this new design that they started with the Hero 5. I like how it's just waterproof right out of the box, and you don't need any extra housing or any extra cases for it, and it's just like that. I'm really excited to test out the Hyper Smooth on the Hero 7 Black, and also test out the new audio that they improved to it from the Hero 6 and Hero 5. But if you guys have any ideas of what I should test out on the Hero 7, or any questions you have, just leave in the comments below, and I'll be sure to make a video about it or respond to you. When I finally get to test this camera over the week, I'll make a video between the Hero 5, which I have, and the Hero 7. And just comparing the two and whether it's a good upgrade. So if you guys want to see that, subscribe, and yeah, that video will be out soon. I wouldn't say this week because I have stuff to do, but soon. But yeah, this is the Hero 7. It's great. Hey guys, so I just moved inside because kids started playing outside and started getting loud. Leave any suggestions or comments in below regarding the Hero 7 videos you want me to make, and I'll definitely make those videos for you. And I'm gonna be having a little series about the Hero 7, like just testing out all its different capabilities. And like I said earlier, I'm gonna be having a Hero 5 versus Hero 7, and whether it's worth the upgrade, because that's essentially what I did. I have the Hero 5 and I got the Hero 7. So yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. This is Freely. Subscribe to my channel to stay tuned to everything I make, and follow me on Instagram. The link should be in the description. But other than that, we'll catch you later.